Hi, this is SEO Audit for Queen Party Rentals. So I did look into your website and found few things that are missing, which is hurting your organic ranking on Google. If we fix this stuff, we can pretty much rank higher on Google. So for Queen's Party Rentals, if I give you an overview, you guys are currently ranking mostly for branded search. So if people are looking for your brand, like Queen's Party Rental, you guys are showing up on Google, on Map, and also organically on Google. But if we see like your location specific, right? Snellville, Michigan, sorry, Georgia. Party rentals in Gwinnett County, you guys are ranking on 24th position. So this is not good. You guys should rank higher than this. Then some specific product pages, item pages are ranking, like rent throne chairs near me. You guys are ranking on fourth page. Uh, Overall, if I see generic terms like party rentals in Snellville or nearby areas, you guys are not ranking well for those terms. So to rank on those terms, you guys need to do some basic website fixes, right? So, for example, I have done this audit list where I have selected, found out everything that is wrong with the site. So, you guys do have a Google Business Profile, which is Map Pack, Map Store. You guys do have that. The primary category is accurate. It is party rentals. There are no secondary categories, so it's not applicable. You guys do have reviews, like 18. You need to get more reviews, obviously. The average rating is 5, which is good. You guys do reply to few reviews, but it's always better to reply to all the reviews. You upload original photos, but not regularly. You do have some original photos, but it's always better to upload photos regularly. The reviews are not keyword rich. It means that sometimes the services or the product you're selling, it's always better to add those terms in the reviews. So if you're asking for a review, if you just add those terms like party rentals and the location, Snellville, it will help you to rank on map if people are looking for those terms. Sometimes even replies we using reviews, using keywords also helps. The website is indexed on Google, so if you search the domain name on the Google, it shows up. So that means Google has indexed the site. The website is mobile friendly, so which means that if someone is using it on phone, the website shrinks and it's optimized for phone, so that's okay. Does the website load fast? Yes, the website does load fast, so that's okay. SSL, that means security encryption, so that is set up properly. The main keyword is not on the homepage title. So the main keyword for this this business would be party rentals in Snellville. You guys don't have that in your main title, right? So the title that shows up on Google, you don't have that in your meta title. So for example, here, welcome to Queen's Party Rental, and then Snellville, Georgia. It should be Queen's Party Rental in Snellville, Georgia. That would help you to rank for those terms. And if we see H1 tag, so H1 tag is like the main header of a page. So there is no optimized keyword in the H1 tag. So it could be something like a title here that says best or top rated party rentals in Snellville. Something like that in H1 would help you to rank for that term. Then the H2 subheadings are not optimized. So H2s are the headings under the main headings, right? So headings like this, headings like this. So they have some products, but they don't have the location or the buying intent that people would use. So if we use those on the site, it would help to rank for those specific terms. Does the home page have at least 500 words? Yes, the content is more than 500 words inside the home page. Do you guys have individual service or product pages? Yes, you guys do have individual category pages and service pages, product pages. So that's good. But you guys are not optimizing those pages for the right keywords, right? So what I saw is many of these product or category pages has the same title, right? So we need to use specific title for all these pages. So if I go here, for example, category is project or screen, and if I look into H1, it's just some random words titles, not specific to what people would search. If we look into the page titles, they are like Queen's Party Rental, Bounce House Rentals, Slides for Parties, Table Rentals. These are good ones, Frontiers, Table Rentals, but a lot of them has similar titles like Bounce House Rentals. Bounce House Rentals. There are reputation, see, Bounce House Rentals. Reputation in those pages. We need to make sure that all those pages title has unique title. So it would increase your chance to rank for multiple keywords. For example, here you can see Marquee numbers, heating and cooling, like carpet rugs. So if we optimize these, for example, carpet rugs for party rentals in Snellville, it would help you to rank for these specific terms when people are looking for this type of product. Similarly, the main keyword are not in H1, also not in the H2 tag. The service pages don't have 500 words, but it's okay to have 200 to 300 words inside a service or product page. The image alt text are not properly used. So image alt text means sometimes Google doesn't understand image, the context of the image. We need to feed them that this image is about this topic. So we need to type out the meaning of that image, right? So it doesn't exist on this site. There is an XML sitemap. The XML sitemap is like a hierarchy of links of your site. So it does exist. A schema markup is also another important code that you can use inside your website that would show you, that would show Google specifically what this business is about, what sort of services they offer, and so on. The pages are internally linked. So in the home page, the other category page or product pages are linked. So this is good. There are outbound links to relevant authority sites. There are not many outbound links, especially to big sites. So I would always prefer something like that. The robot txt file is properly set. It says to Google to index them and disallow some bots to not index the site. So it's properly set. Do they have relevant blog posts? No, they don't have any blog posts. Is the content original across site? So that means that, do you have any copy content inside the website? I saw that no, you guys do have original content throughout your site. Is there a video embedded? No, there are no video embedded on the site. Is Google Map embedded with name, address, and phone number info? No, the Google Map is not embedded inside your site, which is a big thing, because that helps Google to understand that this website is relevant for this specific location. Do you guys have any high quality backlinks? So backlinks means links from other site. You guys do have some links, some very generic links, but they're not like super high quality. So we need to have better links. Are anchor text varied and natural? Yes. So that means the link that has anchor tag. So sometimes there could be unnatural, but in this case they are natural. Are social media profiles linked from the website? No. If I go down here and I click on Facebook, it goes to some groups. If I click on Instagram, it goes to like your username. So it's like a generic one. You guys need to fix this inside the website. Are the citations consistent across the web? So that means when you're creating profiles on different local pages, is your information accurate throughout the web? In this case, yes, your information is accurate. Is contact info clearly visible in all pages? Yes. Is the phone number clickable on mobile? No. The phone number that you have, it's not clickable. So if people click on the phone number, it doesn't redirect them to the keypad or the call section of their phone. Is there a strong call to action on each page? Yes, there are strong call to action, like book or call us now. Those button exist. Do they have favicon set for brand credibility? So here, if you see on the top of the tab, there is a favicon, so that means it's accurate. So that's all. If you want more information, you can contact us back. We'll love to set up a meeting with you guys.